She traded sessions with me for about a month. We did once a week. I gave her a massage, she gave me an EFT session, and my life changed. And I put all the other tools that I was working with to help people, guided visualizations, energy work. I'm an empath, so I could feel what other people were feeling. I got very good at moving energy. I could put energy into people's bodies, take energy out, strong psychic skills. But yet none of that was restoring me neurologically, emotionally, to peace and well-being, even though I had these incredible skills. Because I still had so much pain inside myself. And as this came out, my healing practice went off the charts. Without advertising, in 2 months I had a waiting list of people to see without telling anyone other than the few people I was already working with. And they brought me their friends and they brought me their family, and I figured out how to do this technique. 6 years later, I travel all over the world. I've been to San Francisco and to New York and now to LA, all within the last 2 weeks. And I'm doing trainings to teach people who want to teach people how to do something that they should have taught me in kindergarten.